Just wait for a second. I'm not understanding what is the problem. Yeah, this is a validation API we have to add. Next button, pm.xml and finish button. This is added now. Okay. Okay, this is actually internally using Hibernate Validator API. Okay, that's actually, we can call, now it's separated and it's actually called Java Validation API here. Unable to hear. Rajesh, please rejoin if you're not able to listen my voice. Okay, I think others able to listen. Okay, Vijay, please rejoin if you're not able to see the screen. Others able to see. Jai Krishna, you are not getting screen rendering. Okay, I think some people getting clearly, sir. Okay, I'll continue. See here. So we have to do validations in the backend applications. Okay, by adding Spring Boot Validator API here. So like null checking, pattern checking, format checking, length checking, all the validations we are going to do in the backend application also here. Okay, there will be multiple clients. So we are going to add Java Validation API. Okay, so this validation API, if you want to handle here, you must add a dependency Spring Boot Starter Validation, this one. Okay, right click on the project. Okay, so that is Spring Add Starter. Okay, you have to search with validation. Okay. Yeah, front-end validation, there will be multiple front ends, even back-end validation also recommended. Okay, both are recommended. Okay. So it's not going to affect any performance, sir. Okay. Previously it was from Hibernate. Okay, Hibernate validation. Yes. Okay, now it's moved to separate API. JavaX.validator here. It's internally Hibernate validator is a implementer. Sun Microsystem given rules and guidelines, Hibernate as implementation that. Hibernate validator. Okay, internally using the same. This is first party. We can also call it here. This is third party. Okay, JPA is actually specification, right? Okay, in the same way here we are using. Okay, at the rate that is actually assert true, expected true, assert false. Like we have a lot of annotation here. Screen rendering. It is very slow today. Okay, this is a document I'm just posting here. So here in the last of this document, okay, I'll continue. If you face issue, I'll again revise tomorrow. Please listen. Okay, some people might be facing issue. Okay, look at the validations here. Okay, not null, size, pattern, min, max, okay, assert, past, future, like these are the validations here. For string or any type, we can check not null. Okay, this is actually common checking here. Size applicable only for string. Pattern applicable only for string. Double type, any number type you have, min, max validations you can give. Boolean type is there here. Assert validations are there. Data type, here we have like this. You can just see here API. You can see here all these annotations here: assert, false, true, okay, decimal max, decimal min, digits, future, max, not null, null, past, pattern, size. We have all these things here. Okay, I'm just giving a documentation reference link here. Okay, that's actually going to indicate not null for any data type. Okay, but not primitive. It should be wrapper type here. Two times if we check also not a issue Kankarao. Okay, that's not going to affect any performance. A simple Java code only. In case of any database calls, network calls, and all, that will make some performance issues. Okay, a simple okay, data checking is never going to be any problem. There could be a lot of client applications. Never think that always it is only going to be one client. Okay, so here this is going to be, yeah, so here we are going to write even validations at backend here. Okay, so these are all annotations we are going to apply in your entity. Okay, we wrote entity here, right? So just I'm writing this one. Look at id need not to check, it is generated. Name should not be empty. Okay, look at here, I'm writing at the rate not null. Java x dot validation, please look at carefully, not com dot sun dot istack. Look at the package name clearly. Okay, just I'm checking here, it's a not null, javax dot validation. If it is a null, then what to do here? It will show a message here. Okay, employee name must not be null. Okay, like this here, we are mentioning. You can mention even pattern. I'm just writing here pattern checking here. Okay, you can give regular expression. So I'm just mentioning A to Z, A to Z here. I'm just writing it's a 4 to 8. I'm writing. In case of message also you can write. Message is common for any kind of one here. So here like this we can mention. Yeah, if you are using size checking, yes, you can implement even size checking. Okay, size minimum and maximum here if you want to mention the restrictions here. Okay, employee name should start with SAT, later any number of characters here. It is going to indicate here. Okay, so I'm just writing here, it's a regular expression. So in this regular expression, I'm writing possible values are male, okay, or female. Like this we can mention here, regular expression. Or else you can take a enum here. Okay, yeah, in the front end, if you check also, that's okay. Some people will give one character also. That's fine here. Okay, department, yeah, it should not be null here. So minimum null checking required, not null, and not null. Okay, and we can write something like here size. Okay, so size is applicable for string type here. Okay, minimum, okay, 10 characters, and the maximum, I'm just writing it's a 200 characters like this I'm writing. Okay. Okay, so here we have to give your own message. If you don't give message, okay, there is a Hibernate customized message will be printed. Okay, you have to print your own message. Message is equals to like this. Everywhere you can write the message. Okay, for pattern we can write, for min we can write, max we can write your customized message here.